Hello boys and girls out there. Today the sun is not shining.
But today we have here some kind of a wannabe model. Here we go.
Here is Trudy Fritz.
Oh, please switch off the music.
Hello Trudy. Tiaguit.
Konan Satari.
What? Speak English.
Please calm down, girl. Can we ask you 10 little questions?
Yeah, but hurry.
Okay. Have you ever been to Austria?
Yes, I've been to lots of countries. I've been in Austria to Vienna, and Tyrol is very nice, and Carinthia.
Hey, would you like to go there again?
Yes, I definitely will.
Sorry. Do you know something typical about Austria?
Yeah, the snow and skiing and lots of other things.
Do you know any German words or sentences?
There is the Sachertart. Sachertart.
Sachertorte?
And schnell and something like Schnitzel. Schnitzel.
Schnitzel. Yeah, correct. Okay. Can you speak Irish?
Yes, but I won't.
Do you think it's a pity that the main language in Ireland is English and not Gaelic?
No, not really.
Okay. Do you like Guinness? Do you like Guinness?
Oh, Guinness! Yes, I love Guinness.
What's the worst thing about Ireland?
Are you expecting me to say the weather?
Maybe. It's up to you.
Well, it is the weather, yeah.
Which jobs do you like most?
Well, as you can see, I like the river islands.
And how often do you go shopping?
Quite frequently. Well, every second day.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Thanks.